I am not totally prepared for this batch just yet, and this is going to take me like 3-4 steps to get through. You can see my little picture right there. I'm going to do some kind of mountain scenery in this one. So I need to pour it in at least 3 phases. Hopefully the fragrance is going to be okay. I'm using Driftwood in Amber from Brambleberry, and I'm going to be doing 2 loaves of it. I have a couple trees that I'm going to use. These were ones that I poured into molds, column molds, and then these little guys, these are extruded with soap dough. So I just did these a couple hours ago, so they're still pretty soft. My plan, this is supposed to discolor to, I think it's a tan. Is it tan? I think it's a tan color. So I'm going to do an angle pour and use some cocoa in it, and then let that set up enough to put the big tree in. And then I'm going to pour the second kind of slanted mountain, and that one I'm not going to put any color in, and I'm going to put the little tree on, and then I hope to put some blue in the middle, kind of like for some water. Let that set up, and then I'm going to pour a dark sky. So I have my cocoa powder for that first pour that's going to be slanted, then no color, and then just the fragrance. For the second one, a little bit of water, and then I have activated charcoal that I will use for the sky. So it's kind of like a night sky, and I think that would show a really nice contrast with the white tree and then the green as well. And since this one does discolor, I didn't really want to do a blue sky because blue and tan isn't going to really make a very pretty color once it's cured. So I'm going to come back once I'm set up and to get started on that first phase. ready to cut these bars. And I thought this was kind of interesting. I had some extra batter left over, so I poured it into an individual mold. And this color is the color with the cocoa in it. Look how different that is compared to going through gel phase and not. And then the other side was the fragrance only without anything. And look how yellow this is. So this was just cured, not cured, this was saponified at room temperature. This was a gel phase. So I don't know what it's going to actually look like after the cure. When I looked at the description, it said a tan, light brown. That's yellow. So this may mellow out, this may change. We'll have to check back when it's cured. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these. I did change the design some because I really should have done more of an angle, a sharper angle on here, because originally I wanted to have those two layers here overlapping and then the blue in the middle. Didn't happen, so I ended up putting the blue on the side. And hopefully the trees aren't gonna have any gaps in them, but let's give them a cut and find out what's inside.